Introducing the Translight Flip Premium Welding Helmet by Jackson Safety. The Translight Flip combines superior construction with top-notch functionality to deliver maximum comfort, safety, and satisfaction. Highlighted by its flip feature design, the shell can be easily adjusted to reveal an extra-large grinding shield, providing superior peripheral vision, increased productivity, and reduced interruption of work. Our legendary 370 speed dial headgear combines a fine-tooth ratcheting adjuster knob with a rear swivel headband to provide proper weight distribution, eliminate pressure points, and deliver a personalized fit. Packed with state-of-the-art specs, the Translight Flip scores a perfect optical clarity rating, delivering a crystal-clear view of the work, while best-in-class switching speeds minimize eye strain and fatigue. The next evolution of professional welding helmets is here. The Translight Flip by Jackson Safety.